Next came Anurag. I think Anurag spoke very well, and I was very fascinated by the videos he showed. Some of the key points, takeaways from his speech was, he said, he started saying, I'm a product of a B school. He said, B schools don't practice what they preach. Partly I tend to agree with this. He felt that there has to be a change in mindset of organizations and the way they look at talent. I really love that 1 pound fish because it kind of reinstated the fact that one needs to have self-belief, one needs to have passion, and the positiveness to build a great organization culture. He said that we all must learn to dream, and I think it is that dream which will ultimately take you to your success. He commented on lack of culture in organizations, and he stressed that culture is a very important aspect of talent management because it kind of creates that ecosystem. And he felt that we must celebrate failures and not only success, because it is only from failures that you learn to become successful. He also mentioned, while speaking about entrepreneurship, that you must convert your passion into profession. Once you convert your passion into profession, you excel. And this passion substantially should include fun. You should enjoy what you are doing. That's what subsequently Aditya spoke about. He said, be collaborative, don't work in isolation. Team management is very important to not only organizational development, but wealth creation. And finally, Aditya spoke about his great organization that he has helped building up. He spoke about the challenge and how the organization should look at talent. He says it is not only a cost, but it is also, he says, talent at a cost. Yes. Then subsequently he says that the way you get the talent, the way you keep them, and the way you nurture them for the right reasons is what will deliver an excellent organization. He felt that every organization should help its employees to dream big and help them to pursue their dreams to achieve their goals. So if individual goals are met, the organization will develop and grow. He talked about his brand. He said every individual in his organization, and it should be universal for everybody else, that every employee of yours is a brand ambassador for you. And therefore it is extremely important for us to really inculcate that culture, that sense of belonging, and that empowerment to each and every employee, so that we nurture them into becoming the brand and the values that we stand for as an organization. And finally he said that if you need to transform, you need to empower holistically. So ladies and gentlemen, with these few words, I would like to thank Mr. Jaipuria, Aditya, Anurag, and Dr. Naran. And finally, I must say that when we come to a parting of ways, let us not say goodbye, but au revoir, that is till we meet again. Thank you.